keep filming.
Oh, god damn it! God damn it! No, it's not funny, Jim. Gage, go to bed. Gage, get your jams up.
Oh, it's happening. It's working. It's working. It's working. I have to
Do something. Jim! Okay, whatever. Take this Ray said he get blood out.
He's getting blood out, for God's sake. Man, it worked, didn't it? Is it grossing you out?
No, it's just kind of heavy. There wasn't that much blood.
No, it feels much better though.
It was less blood than I expected.
It relieved the pressure.
It did?
Yeah. Because it felt like there was a lot of pressure on there.